How you doing, folks? My name is Michael Marrow, coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'd like to take some time today and take you through our 2020 485 Galeon HTS. Let's start on the swim platform here. So you have a fully submersible swim platform. This will come out and it'll drop down in the water probably about up to my hips. As it's coming down, you look over here, you have 4 steps. So as this is coming down, this cascades down into the swim platform and bridges the gap between the boat and where you are in the water. Right back here, this is our garage door. This garage goes all the way to the front of the cockpit. Plenty of storage in here. You can store paddle boards, floats, anything that you need can be stored in here. Come on up into the cockpit. So you have full wraparound seating here with a nice sized table for entertaining, just enjoying the morning, afternoon, evening. What's nice about also, a nice feature about this boat is this door here, this pocket door, will actually come down and go right behind this. So you have a nice transition from outside to inside on this boat and a nice airflow. As you come inside, again, another wraparound seating area. Right here, this is an upgrade on this boat. It's a pedestal that will collapse and lower, and there's a cushion that goes on top of this table, which gives you a nice day bed. On this side, we have tons of storage, right here and here, and a nice refrigerator. The other use for this area is the upgraded air conditioning system that's in this boat. I want to come forward to the helm. Helm's very straightforward, user-friendly. All your switch panels on both sides of the wheel. Raymarine autopilot, and then you have your chart plotter, depth sounder, all your readouts for your engines you can read here and here. This boat has 320 hours. It's also equipped, being that it's an IPS boat, it is a joystick boat, and it is also equipped with the DPS system, which is a digital positioning system, which will keep the boat in place when you push a button. And this boat is driven by our zip wake system, which is your trim tabs. Let's come downstairs. One of the biggest things that stands out to me most about this particular boat that we're on right now is the wood color scheme. This is our dark black walnut that is gloss interior. There's several layers of gloss on top of this, and then you can see the European craftsmanship in the inlays. So everything that you're going to see on this boat and touch and feel is all done under one roof. So essentially, the boat's vertically integrated. The detail in the woodwork is something that I would recommend seeing firsthand to really appreciate what they do. If you look over here, you have another wraparound seating area, again with a table with another pedestal that does have a cushion that goes on top of it, which also turns into a bed. So if you go forward, you'll see the VIP stateroom. What's nice about this stateroom is the amount of storage that Galeon provides. From the drawers and the cabinetry underneath the bed to the apron around the ceiling, you'll have 7 storage compartments and all the natural lighting that you can ask for in a VIP stateroom. So this is, you also have an entrance to our shared head. This is a wet head with a pedestal sink with 3 huge storage compartments above the sink and then a huge area underneath. So if you come after, this is a full beam stateroom with wraparound walkway to both sides of the bed. Tons of headroom in this stateroom. My favorite part about this stateroom is all the natural lighting. You have windows and ports that you can open on both sides of this stateroom. Queen size bed, flush mounted TV. You have a ton of storage throughout this. You have a full closet, which is behind you. 5 or 6 drawers over there that open up in a mini closet. And then a full bench here for when you have to get ready. So then you're going to walk in here, and this is your private head. So you see in there the full shower, the head, and the pedestal sink. So I hope you enjoyed our quick tour through this 2020 485 Galeon. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at MarineMax Somers Point. My name is Michael Mara. The number is 609-926-0600. Thanks, and we'll see you on the water.